All right, good people, we back at it. I hope that you guys enjoyed that last look. Honestly, it felt good to, flex my style muscles again and put something together that, to me, felt refreshing.
Yeah, it's all right.
It's all right.
Yeah,
Bruh,
just all right.
you're hating. You're in the fit hating. Honestly, I think the possibilities are endless with these coveralls. Sometimes when I need inspo, I head on over to Pinterest, just for a different mood, just for a different aesthetic and a direction to approach my fits with. All right, let's get started.
You can always find ways to make a fit work for you. It can be accessories, different colors, textures, and patterns that bring cohesion. Think of it as bringing together different colors on a canvas to make a masterpiece. Sometimes less is more. Remember to show your personality in what you wear.
Music bed.
And finally, the only opinion that matters is yours. Like and follow for more style inspiration.